To set up the AccuField command Headland management, go into the AccuField command main menu, toggle to allow functionality to be unlocked, at which point we can record a sequence, edit it offline. So we'll go through setting up the sequence by editing it offline. The third icon down on the right will allow us to add new functionality. If I do that again, I can swap these back and forth with the top two icons, and then I can also delete with the last icon. Any functionality that is programmable on the tractor can be done through the AccuField command, so the valves, the steering, the hitch, transmission, and engine settings can all be done through the setup. So at which point I'm going to program a sequence in to the terminal. For my go functionality, I'm going to start with my yellow valve first. And this is triggered off the tractor moving and my pressing of the go function. Add a new one. Then turn our guidance on. I'll put the diff lock on as well. And I'd like to swap my diff lock with my cruise speed. I'm going to move that up one. And my trigger settings can be based on 3-point height, manual trigger, distance, or time. In this case, I'm going to go off a distance. I'd really like to have that one be on top to have my guidance be set first. 10 feet after my guidance is engaged, my implement will go down, and I'll have these based on time, and I'll do half a second for these. Now if I bring up my info screen for my AccuField command, it will show as yellow that these settings are not yet applied. So to back out of this screen or press my N button, it will ask for apply changes, at which point it's now in the system. And I can do the same thing for my N functionality, which I'll program now at this point. So coming to the end of the field, I want to disengage and go down to a lower speed. I'm going to take my guidance off, diff lock off, and then at which point I want the implement to be raised up. And this time I'll press the go function, apply changes, and that functionality is then applied.